What I do during rainy days is number one, coffee. This is still a staple to me. And number two, gaming. Through gaming, I was able to disconnect from the realities of life. Yung tipong papasok ka sa isang mundo na wala kang ibang iniisip kundi ang laro. Keeps me sane. It started out as a hobby, but it turns out something bigger. Now, I'm at the helm of my favorite game. Never in my wildest imagination that I'm going to reach this far. Mahal ko at minahal ako ng larong to.
Ng 5 o'clock. Alamat server lang. Yes, Alamat server lang po ang open dyan, 5 p.m. So sabay-sabay tayong magpapalevel guys. Sasamahan ko kayo. Itong GM account ko, mostly admin lang gagamitin ko dito sa GM account. Pero yung beta test, mayroon akong beta test account. Sabay-sabay tayong magpapalevel. This is it! Open na guys! Shout out to 61,000 viewers natin. Welcome to Run Online Episode 3. Let's go! Level 33 na. Full party na kami dito guys.